Hey Maya,
Hi Vivek. Vivek, you know the chalk that teacher uses in class to teach on blackboard, what is it made of?
I have no idea Maya.
It is made up of carbon. Let me teach you. Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Askprep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about carbon and its compounds. Carbon is a fundamental chemical element with the symbol C and atomic number 6 on the periodic table. It is one of the most abundant and versatile elements, playing a central role in chemistry, biology, and earth sciences. Carbon has an atomic number of 6, with 6 protons and generally 6 neutrons. Bonding in carbon, the covalent bond. We know that the reactivity of elements is explained as their tendency to attain a completely filled outer shell, that is, attain noble gas configuration. If it were to gain or lose electrons, it could gain 4 electrons forming C4 anion. But it would be difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold on to 10 electrons, that is, 4 extra electrons. It could lose 4 electrons forming C4 plus cation. But it would require a large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons, leaving behind a carbon cation with 6 protons in its nucleus holding on to just 2 electrons. Versatile nature of carbon. Carbon has the unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. This property is called catenation. These compounds may have long chains of carbon, branched chains of carbon, or even carbon atoms arranged in rings. In addition, carbon atoms may be linked by single, double, or triple. Compounds of carbon are formed with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, and many other elements, giving rise to compounds with specific properties which depend on the elements other than carbon present in the molecule. Saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. A saturated organic compound has only single bonds between carbon atoms. An important class of saturated compounds are the alkanes. Many saturated compounds have functional groups, example alcohols. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are compounds composed of carbon and hydrogen atoms, with one or more carbon-carbon double or triple bonds in their chemical structure. Nomenclature of carbon compounds. The names of compounds in a homologous series are based on the name of the basic carbon chain modified by a prefix, phrase before, or suffix, phrase after, indicating the nature of the functional group. For example, the names of the alcohols taken in activity 4.2 are methanol, ethanol, propanol, and butanol. Naming a carbon compound can be done by the following method. 1. Identify the number of carbon atoms in the compound. A compound having 3 carbon atoms would have the name propane. 2. In case a functional group is present, it is indicated in the name of the compound with either a prefix or a suffix. 3. If the name of the functional group is to be given as a suffix, and the suffix of the functional group begins with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, then the name of the carbon chain is modified by deleting the final E and adding the appropriate suffix. For example, a 3-carbon chain with a ketone group would be named in the following manner: propane, E is equal to propan plus 1 is equal to propanone. 4. If the carbon chain is unsaturated, then the final Na in the name of the carbon chain is substituted by Na or Na. For example, a 3-carbon chain with a double bond would be called propene, and if it has a triple bond, it would be called propyne. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Combustion. Carbon, in all its allotropic forms, burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide along with the release of heat and light. Most carbon compounds also release a large amount of heat and light on burning. Oxidation. Carbon compounds can be easily oxidized on combustion. Some important carbon compounds: ethanol and ethanoic acid. Properties of ethanol. Ethanol is a liquid at room temperature for the melting and boiling points of ethanol. Ethanol is commonly called alcohol and is the active ingredient of all alcoholic drinks. In addition, because it is a good solvent, it is also used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough syrups, and many tonics. Ethanol is also soluble in water in all proportions. Reactions of ethanol. Reaction with sodium. 2 Na plus 2CH3CH2O 2CH3CH2O Na plus H2, sodium methoxide. Alcohols react with sodium leading to the evolution of hydrogen. With ethanol, the other product is sodium methoxide. Properties of ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is commonly called acetic acid and belongs to a group of acids called carboxylic acids. 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water is called vinegar and is used widely as a preservative in pickles. Reactions of ethanoic acid. 1. Esterification reaction. Esters are most commonly formed by reaction of an acid and an alcohol. 2. Reaction with a base, like mineral acids, ethanoic acid reacts with a base such as sodium hydroxide to give a salt, sodium ethanoate, or commonly called sodium acetate, and water. Soaps and detergents. Soaps. Soaps are chemical compounds used as cleaning agents, typically made from natural fats and oils in combination with alkaline substances. Soaps clean through a process called emulsification. The structure of soap molecules allows them to interact with both water and oils, which is key to their cleaning action. Hydrophilic head, the carboxylate group, COO, of the soap molecule is water-loving, hydrophilic, and tends to interact with water molecules. Hydrophobic tail, the long hydrocarbon chain, R, is water-fearing, hydrophobic, and tends to interact with oils and grease. Detergent. Detergents are synthetic cleaning agents that are used to clean a wide range of surfaces, including fabrics, dishes, and even skin. Detergents are typically made from synthetic compounds derived from petrochemicals or oleochemicals. Like soaps, detergents have a dual structure molecule with a hydrophilic, water-attracting, head and a hydrophobic, water-repelling, tail. The hydrophilic head of detergents can be composed of various functional groups, such as sulfates, sulfonates, or phosphates. For example, one common type of detergent has a sulfate group in its hydrophilic head and is known as anionic detergent.
Look Maya, there it is.
Yes. We found it.
Alright then Maya. Bye. See you later.
Keep learning from Askprep. Thanks for joining us today. We will continue making these knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.